All right, we're back, and I feel sure that one of the questions you want to know is how much should you charge for your website design? And I can tell you that in my business, I have charged anywhere between $400 and about $6,500 for website design. And now, when I did the $400 website, that was at the very beginning of my business. I didn't really know how to charge. I didn't know how to. I didn't know what to do. I wasn't very good at negotiating it. So I did a website in Wix for somebody for very inexpensively. Nowadays, I quote my website design packages start at $1,995, and they go up to about $8,900 at the highest package level. So, my recommendation for pricing your web design, and I used to have down here under my products section under web design, I had it starting initially. I had it, web design packages start at $9.95, and then I switched it to $19.95, and then I switched it to $29.95. But my recommendation, it totally depends on your market. It totally depends on what your competitors are charging. I was charging about $1,000 to, I think my website packages started right at about $1,000, and then I came across another company in my market that was building websites that were not as good as the ones that I was building for clients, and their packages started at $29.95 for something that was not even mobile responsive, and so. Then I adjusted my prices again. But my recommendation to you is when you start out, do your first website for a rock bottom price, because you need to get something to show clients. So we talk about that in another lecture. Do your first website for a rock bottom price. Even if you have to do it for free, it's probably worth doing it for free in order to get the business. So I would certainly recommend doing that for only your first website, though. Once you get past your first website, if you're doing websites for clients in the U.S., there is no reason you can't charge at least $1,000 per website. If you're doing them, even if you're outside of the U.S. and doing them for clients in the U.S., you should be able to get at least $1,000 per website, but likely a good deal more. My recommendation also is to have 3 different package prices. Okay, so you may have a website design package that starts at $9.95. The next one up is $29.95. The next one up is $59.95. And the reason you do 3 package pricing is because whatever the top level package is the Cadillac of web design packages. You use that price point, that highest package level, to throw everything in the kitchen sink into the package in order to get that price high enough that your middle level package then seems a lot like a really, really good deal. And so, that's my recommendation. Figure out what it is, and price some competitors in your market. Call them. Say you're representing a company that is looking for web design, or it can be your company is looking for web design. Don't tell them you do web design, or they won't give you any pricing. But get what they charge for websites. See if you can. And this may take a few calls and some some kind of not telling them everything that you do, or they won't give it to you. But try to find out what your competitors charge, and then don't charge exceptionally below them, because people will perceive that the quality is low. And don't charge, way higher than them, because then it'll be a struggle to get business. Again, my recommendation is 3 package prices. Maybe your package prices start at $9.95, $19.95, and $49.95. And I guarantee if you price like that, you'll sell the majority of your packages will be the $19.95 package. So again, that's my recommendation for pricing. I hope that helps. If you have a question, certainly feel free to ask me in the discussion. Thanks.